RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Pak. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a low water flow faucet. Tools and materials: rubber washer, flathead screwdriver. There are two ways to solve this problem. 1. Find the water valve in the back of the sink. Adjust it with a flathead screwdriver to increase the water pressure. 2. Remove the faucet aerator and clean it thoroughly. After cleaning, put the rubber washer on, then screw the aerator back in place. Now you get your water flow back on. Tips: rubber washer comes in various sizes and types. There are half-inch rubber washer, 3/4 inch rubber washer, and half-inch or 3/4 inch rubber filter washer. You could choose the appropriate size and type according to the size of your faucet. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.